Hello, thanks for watching this video. Open a horizontal or vertical template in Photoshop. Double-click to edit the Smart Replace layer. Place a photo on a document. Close the temporary file. Click Save in the dialog window. Expand the Color Effects layer group and select the appropriate layer or combination of layers. The strength of the effect of each layer can be adjusted using the transparency parameter. The Light Leaks layer group creates horizontal optical highlights that can be toned in different shades. You can also add one or more optical flashes by turning on the corresponding layer. Next, you can add one or a combination of the overlays group. If there is a main subject in the photo, then you can use Smart Selection on the Replace layer to mask the overlay. Add a final color correction to visually glue the layers from the Color Filters group. Your Cyberpunk photo is ready. Check out other templates from the Photo Time Machine Ultimate Collection.